Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, you can see this is styling the bakery cases, and they have two different separate parts. On top have a curved glass with two shelvings inside, and the bottom is open display. So let's take a look at the overall sizes first. Entirely is about like a 51 inches length. And the overall height, the unit is about like a 57.5 inches tall. And the depth about like a 33 inches. As you can see, we're having the open display right here. They come with the LED lights right here. Let's take the measurements. Entirely, the unit is about like a 24 inches deep for this open display place. About like a 48 inches in the length. For this parts, the height is about like a 14 inches. And as you can see the front, we have a name sticker right here, cooler reports, and the controllers at the bottom. They have a digital display on it. You can set in the temperatures and also the switcher on the side. So let's take a look at the back side right now. This is the rear side for the units. We have a two sliding door at the top, and they're using the all stainless steel shelvings right here. And let's take a look at the measurements. For the shelving, top layers will be 11 inches in the depth. And the length is about like a 4 feet, 48 inches. For the bottom, entirely about like a 16 inches deep. And the entirely height for the units right here backside, it's about like a 16 inches. And when you're looking down here, you will see the cut sheets right here, and diagram on the pictures, and also the ETL sanitation approval stickers. And if you're looking down the units, we have a grill covers right here. They come in with the standard of 110 plug US standard, and they come in with the two compressors at the bottom for the units. And that's what be all the information about the units. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much.